wanted something similar to Purai. And what they call that over there is Purai. We call it Ahuroa. I'd like to bring back the lovely ladies from the Saturday class, and we're going to share with you one of my favorite duets. In fact, it is the favorite dance of my hula master Joseph Kumoha i Kaha'uleleo. It is a song of love. It's called Ka Lehua Ilia, and it compares the beauty and fragility of a beautiful lehua blossom to that of his beloved.
Aloha, e ho o ni